Hey friends, we're going to continue representing division. So remember, division can be used to find the number of objects in equal groups, okay? When 12 pumpkins are divided into 4 equal groups, there are 3 pumpkins in each group. The result of a division problem is the quotient. Remember that, friends? The quotient. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So 3 would be the quotient. And here are some strategies to show a quotient with equal groups: arrays and area models, diagrams, and equations. For example, Tarek had a board that was 16 feet long. He cut it into 8 equal pieces. Write an equation that shows how many feet long each piece is. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a tape diagram of the board Tarek cut. Model each foot. So how many feet? Use those numbers in the story. 16. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 feet. And he cut it into 8 equal pieces. Step 2, we're going to determine what operation you can use. A 16-foot board was cut into 8 pieces. Each piece is the same length. You can use division, okay? It helps us to know that whenever it says not just 8, but 8 equal pieces. So make 8 equal pieces. Each piece is 2 feet long. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write this as an equation. 16, our big number, divided by 8 equals 2. The equation 16 divided by 8 equals 2 shows that each piece is 2 feet long. Here's another example. We can describe a situation for the equation 35 divided by 5 equals 7. We're going to use the definition of division. Identify the meaning of 35 divided by 5 equals 7. So 35 is the total, okay, number of objects. 5 could be the number of objects in each group. 7 is the quotient, or the answer. It could be the number of groups. Think of a real world situation. Ellie has 35 photos that she is placing in a photo album. She will put 5 photos on each page. The solution: the number of photo pages needed to hold 35 photos, if there are 5 photos on each page, matches the equation 35 divided by 5 equals 7. You can even imagine it with equal groups, okay? So she'll put 5 photos on each page. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to be 1 page. And I'm going to continue counting up until 35. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, so 35 total. Remember, I stopped at 35 and I put 5 photos on each page. And so my equation would look like this. 35 divided by 5 does equal 7. All right, friends, you can go ahead into Schoology, practice this with some story problems all on your own, and we'll continue practicing a little bit more tomorrow in class. Great job. I'm so proud of you.